Boy, Matt is in the market for a new truck. And we here with it. I saw it online.
Yeah, it's a hell of a deal. It's a 2010. It's got 125,000 miles on it.
In the market for a F-150.
Are you looking to make a payment? Or?
Yeah.
Have you, do you know your credit score?
Not exactly.
And that come down?
Yeah.
It's just cold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've seen these before. Yeah. They pop up.
It takes 5. Well, it actually goes right to the lender. You know.
Okay.
Ain't bad.
Huh?
Ain't bad, ain't bad. I said clean her up. And I always be cleaning. What you think, Matt?
See a lot.
Yeah, I mean, most of them, I mean, 10-year-old truck, you're going to have some rust. But yeah, it's a solid truck. Clean Carfax.
Okay.
I mean, all that's on our website.
Yeah.
You can bring that up. You live nearby?
Yeah, I stay over.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I mean,
No, it's all good. It's not too far.
A couple other lots we're probably gonna check out anyway.
yeah, you're welcome. If you like, I mean, I have pictures on my website. You're welcome to take pictures. Or,
Yeah, I got my cameras out here.
that side I got to work, but it's just cold.
Yeah, I know these things are kind
There
of
it goes.
there.
Yeah, it's on a shock. Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, I actually do too.
Yeah, I wish I had
A
that
lot
on my
of
truck.
see, a lot of people
that clicks when you push it in.
yeah, they didn't come with them. So a lot of people put them.
Yeah, I like that a lot. And the other side works too.
What's wrong with the truck, Matt? What you think?
He's probably bullshitting about the other side being a little rusty. That motherfucker probably got it. It might have something more wrong. The inside's a bit crusty. It's a rip in the driver's seat. But for $8, that's kind of, it's like, you know what I'm saying? The tires were pretty new. The brakes look average.
FYI, you're looking for a truck to start an auto detailing business. So, you know, it don't really gotta be perfect. We just need a little something that'll get you there, you know. But actually, we pulling up right here, right now. We passed them up on the way, so.
So come by, fuck with them.
Don't come by, fuck with them. I like this Hayes motor. Got a couple trucks right here.
I gotta turn right here.
That's a diesel 4x4. That mother was 5,000. He towing us a couple cars.
Fuckers close too. Pulling up.
They got some trucks though, extra clean 4x4.
It's a little backlot. No trespassing.
Man, we here. We ain't even see that.
I'm finna say, man.
We ain't even see that.
We here.
We saw the trucks. Yeah, looks like they're closed. Where we at? Hayes Motors. They're closed, but we in this bitch. We got a couple diesel 4x4s. Yes, sir.
Look at the slower on that.
God, look at this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker nice. Just for a little Uska truck. That motherfucker. They got that bitch mounted up looking real mean. What we got over here, Matt? They straight got 250s or better.
It's 350.
Hey, this might be the best one they got on the lot. What they want for this? It's a diesel though. Look at this. 350. Power stroke, turbo diesel. Some nice little rims on it. I ain't gonna lie. What this mug hitting for?
Study it and delete it. You got the muffler here.
Whoa.
Yeah, loud ass diesel.
I like the little extra protection. Oh yeah.
On this, having a bed line is like, that shit is what you need. That's even better.
Man. this that piece.
I'm gonna put a bed, that's a big truck.
I wonder what's the ticket on that one.
They gonna have some. Long ass. It look white, it look even longer.
Got a little light bar on the front.
Ain't no point in half stacking it, bro.
Uh-oh, we found one open. Straight Lariat.
It's a slide on camera. Let's
Fuck it. Hopped in this motherfucker.
This would be that peace, bro. We won't have, man, we can ride with this one for a while. You can pull everything you need to pull. You can pull that big car trailer.
Yeah.
And it's
Nice and prestigious.
the Lariat too, so
Yeah, so it's a nice old truck. I don't even think it's that old. It's 2005.
yeah. Diesel though. 126. Stop. That's cool. Ain't nobody fucked with it. They just got the oil changed and did regular shit. These big ass big ass things.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna call that, yeah.
Big boy shit
You
on.
got the gooseneck thing already back there.
Oh, yeah. Alright, man. We will be back. We are gonna test drive that big motherfucker over there.
Yeah, but I'm for real. Come on.
We shall be back. Don't they all? That nigga said they guarantee finance. Don't they fucking all?
The reason we can't finance you is because
You're a little different. This is a real car lot. Somebody should come outside. You shouldn't have to go in.
I never go straight in. You gotta come find me.
This is a good car lot. Trunk lot, whatever you want to call it. They should come find us. You like the white? It's probably cheaper, huh? It definitely will be cheaper than the pimped out one. It's a 350
And it's a 3
Super Duty. 350 Super Duty. Still look, the what's them call it? The little decal still look good.
Tire tread.
Yeah, tire tread is atrocious, but you know, get some new tires. They're not even the same.
I mean, brakes not far from it.
Exactly. He said that mean brakes not far from it. Got the light bar in the front.
Do?
Jug.
And it's clean. Like little tinted side jump.
Alright, let's go in.
They don't want to come out.
It's just they don't want to come out. They say if they want anything, they'll come to us. It's green. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let me hop in the other side. She said if you want to take it on the test drive, just pull it up. Just pull it up. I think we'll just take it home. All right.
Diesel, baby.
I guess they probably ain't started it in a while. All right.
You
What's
know
this?
how
The light bar?
Might be. You know how diesel is, though.
Yeah.
They got to be warm engines.
It's the Lariat move. Oh, somebody got a gun in here.
I look like a mother.
Straight pistol. Nah, this motherfucker. F-Series Super Duty owner's guide. That's pretty cool. The motherfucker come with the owner's manual.
I mean,
Yeah,
like,
the owner's
I
manual?
guess she's still.
Yeah, hold on. Let me show you. Check out the Ford.
Motherfucker, that was still nice.
Oh, that's because nigga ain't even read it. Ain't even read it. Got it. Hey, if you coming to look at a car, test drive it, whatever, test every fucking thing. Hit the windshield wipers and give it some juice. Let's see. Alright, it gets juice.
You gotta know everything.
Look at that. Super Duty. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker clean.
It is kind of clean. 2005.
Yes, sir. Let me get out. Morgan is nice. God damn. She's a beauty. That alternator look new as a motherfucker, boy.
Look at all the wires and shit you ran. That shit look clean though. It don't like it's bad work. You know what I'm saying? Jump in now.
Make sure you jump in. Make sure you jump in there.
Lock work.
Alright.
Window
So
lock
this
should work.
This is now our truck.
Every window there. Alright.
This is our truck now.
Alright, yeah.
This is our truck now. Just pull up and I'm gonna hop in the act and then we're out of here. Smile, you're on camera.
Shit, told her to smile. You're on camera.
Exactly.
No seatbelts, as it should be.
Dude said take it home, show it to my mom.
Go ahead.
Lock the act, man. Lock the act. You can't leave till you hear your Lexus chirp. Or your act.
Take it that way?
No. He said, should we take it that way?
I
No.
want to see you driving on something rough.
They're driving on something rough. Might want to throw the seatbelt on.
That diesel, you don't feel that. It's different. You can just tell.
He is mounted up like a motherfucker. Let's go wash it. See how it really look when it's clean. Looking ass. Dude clean the hell out of that Mustang, ain't he? OG with the drop top. I see you. Forward to forward, man. We mounted up though. Oh, motherfucking sun. Big ass motherfucking sun visor.
Goddamn whistling ass diesel.
Yes, sir.
Throwing it back again. Of course, it's already on this station.
Exactly. Perfect station for this truck.
Straight country.
Oh shit, buddy jumped out in front of this one. You'll get you'll get power drived in this bitch.
Might as well test the brakes.
Damn, they work.
Yeah, they stop this big one.
Bring this bitch back with a check engine light. Y'all know how we do. You give us the car, we bringing it back with a check engine light.
Alright, we gotta find somewhere to turn this motherfucker around.
No, we don't. Just keep going.
I can do this though. This ain't a bad drive at all.
Look at this dude. Dude got the arm up. Look. Straight bumping and jumping that bitch. Hey, shut up. You run the game when you should have. Oh, hit the train tracks in this bitch. Ain't even really budge.
This ain't it. I don't care.
Oh shit.
That's why I'm gonna get in the grass.
You go, you this bitch in the grass.
I'm you in the street. I don't want it to go crazy on that shit.
Man, you
see
this
it?
bitch in the grass, man. See if it can make it. Go up there, right there. You this bitch in the grass, man.
And you say going 4-wheel high?
Yeah,
Sound like a plan to me.
4-wheel high. You this bitch in the grass. Should go mudding in this bitch.
I know it's 2005. Sometimes you gotta put it in park. It's to going low. You gotta put it in neutral or some shit.
And then you turn this bitch.
Alright? No, I want to hit the hump over there. I mean the ditch. I should hit the ditch.
Exactly.
Hit the ditch. Hit the ditch. Look at that.
You this bitch.
I'm gonna go in the crops.
Let's see what it's worth. You this bitch right motherfucking here.
This is what I really want right here. Bring me up out there. Bring me up out there.
Yeah, we in a little,
Bring me up out there.
little ditch.
You got that?
Yeah, I got it. Let's go up out of there. Alright.
Ease. With ease. With ease, baby. It's a hump on, Kurt.
Oh. Yeah, he sliding this bitch.
With ease. Your fort's not better than mine. Hit the curb on the way out? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alright, let me take it out. I wonder if I got a park. I might. That definitely felt like 4-wheel drive to me though.
Yeah, definitely felt like 4-wheel drive to me too. Here go the train track. See how I take the little skidoo. Yeah, that's 4 wheels pumping and jumping. Alright, we got a new truck. Instead of paying for it, we're just gonna take it home. That's where we was at yesterday.
Told you got that stain.
Ooh, yeah, that GTPs. With the tire shine on. That's the only car they got tire shine on. They trying to sell that bitch. Got that mug sitting right in the front. Look at buddy, cool ass. Look at these little bitty ass Fords. That one kind of big. Still a 250. We in the 3. Little bitty ass Fords.
Not yet. This is what we saw through the water.
Yeah, we turn up here.
The show straight not doing it no more. So we got out of
Dude, he'd beam that bitch. Gotta get up out of here. Burn some tires, man. He ain't doing that. He done beamed it up real quick. Everybody love clean cars. At least you should.
This one had to be got the pedals there.
Don't forget that Super Duty. I ain't gonna lie, man. I do like this one. Somebody liked it too. They straight rigged it up. Got the LED up there. Hit that again for me. Drop my phone.
Did you try just bear chicken thighs?
That lady probably wondering, man, I hope they come back.
We ain't stopping.
Shit.
We ain't stopping.
They would say we ain't
I gotta
stopping.
cruise a little bit. We ain't cruise for real.
Yeah, you ain't lying. We ain't cruise.
60, you know what I'm saying? Highway. I need a wheel line. I wonder if
crooked.
inspected.
Yeah.
Alright, get the VIN number, ask if it's inspected. They close at 6. It's 5:57.
Okay. Hey,
Alright, we going back, man. Alright.
I think we should just go ahead and hit the highway. 270. Hit the crib.
She cruised up. And it's like it's big, but it ain't. It don't feel hella big when you're driving.
Yeah. It just feel big when you probably turning and going slow and shit. When you driving straight, hell nah.
That diesel carrying.
So yeah. So we got here 2005 6-liter diesel. We testing the brakes. Brake check, fool.
I thought this one got like 15 gears. Like this motherfucker, it's shifting. It like, it don't even like jump down to RPMs. Like you just feel it shift and it just still be the same.
Come with that money down, they give you a deal maybe. People said, fuck that interest. Big boy truck. Talking about, all right, let's drive another. We want the gold one. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm gonna try another one. Let's say, look, I gotta go. What's up with the Monte Carlo?
Please.
Just let us get to Monte Carlo. Diesel, 4x4, 11. This one already got plates on it. Somebody test drove that bug.
You got a brake squeaking?
Nah, I didn't.
Not bad, man. Oh no!
The horn
Oh
don't work.
no!
Probably, nah, that we would have known. The horn don't work. That ain't gonna pass inspection. The last thing dude checked, we would have been heard the horn though. Did it just make a noise? You gotta punch it. It's a diesel. Look at that. So we found one thing. The horn don't work.
The horn?
You can get that put in though. That shit like, but I mean, it's like you can get them to come down on that bitch.
Yeah. That you know, I always think like that for sure.
You tell them when we go back. What you think? Yeah, I liked it, but the horn didn't work.
Horn don't work. I'm actually, you know what all the wires is? You got the Carfax.
Jill. All right, make sure you didn't leave anything in this bitch, cause we won't. He said I zipped my shit up. Killed me. He said I ain't dropping.
I pressed the panic button again. The lock still stopped the panic button.
She got up like a mother. Alright, wasn't bad. Wasn't bad at all. They asked me, it's one of the best trucks on the lot.
That motherfucker got, even this GMC got a little rust and shit on it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. Somebody might get that truck if you don't.
He said somebody gonna get it if you don't.
Yeah. Somebody gonna be me.
Straight pull off. I think I can make it across, bro.
You don't think you can make it?
I said I can.
Should.
They say only go one way. Yeah, I got it right there.
You should have parked it in the back. Nobody see it.
Please.